Hi everyone and welcome to Studio de Soy. My name is Lena and this is Halloween edition. This video meant to be one, but in the end of the recording I realized that's gonna be too much for one video, so I'm splitting 3 makeup ideas into 3 videos, 3 parts. Each one is gonna be separate video for one particular makeup. And here's the third makeup idea. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's keep going. And this is look number 3, and today it's gonna be again inspired by the Gabriel Alexis. I don't know. I thought I'm gonna do like a variety, but I really liked the way she was doing that and she got me inspired, so what can I say? And this is the look, I would say Queen of Hearts, kind of like that. I have a wig, black and white, and for the face we're gonna draw a little heart that's gonna be in a color mostly pink. The rest of the face is gonna be in a black and white. It's gonna be something like a chessboard on the rest of the face. And what I'm gonna start with, it's the regular makeup for this area, for this eye, the left eye. I'm gonna put foundation, concealer, eyeshadows. So let's keep going. Colored eyebrow. I'm gonna, in a good condition, you can do concealer base. It's like an you tone you need. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna do a regular concealer on top of my eyebrow and then top it with pink eyeshadows. Alright, something like that. And now I need to shape this part of my face, so I'm just gonna, okay, half of the face, pretty much. Okay, and we're gonna work with this part now. Put the foundation on. And I'm gonna go by the eyebrow. We want to mess it up. Okay, now we can blend it. And now when tone is ready, I'm gonna just fix it with the loose powder. And now it's the time we're applying the eyeshadows. We need pinks again. Dark pink. I'm gonna start with the lighter shade on the outer corner. Okay, now I'm going with the darker pink. So little by little, I'm gonna try to go to the heart shape of the eyeshadow. So this middle part, she uses like a highlight spot, so it's gonna be the lighter spot of it, and all around it's gonna be dark pink. I'm blending with the bigger brush. Okay, and now to make the color deeper, I'm gonna go into like a darker red, darker pink, and still creating the heart shape. Okay, this is the mid stage of my little heart. Now I'm just gonna put like a shimmery eyeshadow on a middle part. I don't have like a super shimmer in a pink color, but I'm gonna do it in a gold. I think it will work. Okay. Okay, now we need to do the like blush lipstick and add a little heart right here. Alright, this is my little heart. And now we're doing the lips, and we need to put the go out of the lip contours like up to make them like bigger. And now we just have left to add some of the highlights. Now it's a harder part, so I'm gonna cover the rest of the face with white. And good thing if you have white foundation or concealer. I don't have that, so I decided to mix the face paint with the cream. It's like this consistency. I think it's gonna be fine. And now it's time to add some black spots to that chessboard. Alright, and this is how I look. My white paint is already dry and started falling off, so that's the con of using this face paint, and it's better to use some concealer. And now I'm just gonna add like a little of a shadow on the outer corner to give it like a little bit of the definition and volume. And that's it. I'm just gonna add on the wig and the look is gonna be ready. And here's my final look. Let me know what you think about this one. I honestly liking this look. It's just I don't like that I use that face paint that falling off and it's gonna ruin it, the look in a, you know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Maybe it's gonna last longer, but you already can see like somewhere inside that it's falling. Other than that, I think it's also like an easy look to go for Halloween, for the party. Let me know what you think about this one. And this is it for the third makeup look. Let me know if you think I did a good job for creating the makeup artist look for Halloween. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the red button and the bell. Give this video a big thumbs up, and we see each other in the next video.